Damn, we're still going, guys. Is this it? Whew. We are seriously getting out of here. Let's go. I'm waiting for my sell orders to hit. Let me just make sure the stream is good. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello. I'm waiting for my sell order. Let's go. Okay, yeah. So live stream is good. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be live streaming tonight, but damn, like 89,000 guys. Is this it? Am I gonna wake up rich tomorrow? Am I gonna wake up and all of my sell orders are gonna trigger? That's insane. Hey guys, look at Doge on Mars. I know we already know, but look at this. In 1 month, you just like 2x your money. That is insane. Oh my gosh. The question is, are we gonna go retest the 6 euros 4 or not? But we'll see. So my Doge on Mars, I was really hoping that OXT would go first so I could rotate the OXT into Doge on Mars, because I have obviously more money in OXT. But it's, of course, the other way, the other scenario happened where Doge on Mars ended up running and OXT didn't. But it's okay. Enough about me. You guys already know the coins I'm in. So let's see who's in the chat. What's up, Flipcoins? First comment. What's up, man? Thank you so much for the membership, man. I really appreciate it. Roy's Army. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Seriously, everyone's probably in such a good mood right now. So I did actually change my live stream name to like include Dogecoin, Shiba, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Aloe says, "I'm so sorry, man. You will have your day." Well, I mean, Doge on Mars had its day, but OXT didn't. No. I mean, technically, we're still up 24% on 7 days. So don't worry about me. I mean, I'm still gonna hold it. It's okay. No worries. This is just one of my coins, and I believe in it, and I know that it's gonna go up eventually. And who knows? It might go up like on the stream tonight. Please do Doge and Tesla. It's going crazy right now. Yeah. So as far as Dogecoin goes, we already know the next area of. We actually already know that next area of resistance. So this is for Brian, who's asking for Dogecoin. So the next area of resistance was like 43 cents. Let me see. 41 cents. So the next area of resistance for Dogecoin is going to be 41 cents. Now, keep in mind the 618 is 26 cents, so as long as we stay over 26 cents, it's still very bullish. Keep in mind that from the low to the high, Dogecoin, the Dogecoin 236 does land at 26 cents, so it does coincide with the 786 from the high to the low. Worst case scenario with any sort of big breakdown, keep in mind that Dogecoin does need to stay over this box at between 21 and 26 cents. Keep in mind, of course, nothing goes up forever, and we are going to get some sort of correction. But look, let me just show you the RSI, because even though I always show it in my TA, I don't really elaborate on it. But at this point, the RSI is extremely overbought, so you're kind of buying at your own risk in a sense. I'm not giving any financial advice, but personally, I would not be buying Dogecoin at this point. I would have probably bought Dogecoin when the RSI was closer in the red, and you guys had all this time to buy it, so and load up your bag. So if you didn't, then I would just be careful, because at this point you're looking at buying here and back to the all-time highs around a 2x. So if you're looking for a 2x, then I'd say, I don't know if it's going to correct right now, consolidate and then move up to the all-time high, or if it's gonna just keep going, right? So you got to do that, figure it out on your end. I'm so sorry, man. You will have your... I'll take a look at macro targets too. Actually, we already know macro targets for Dogecoin. So previous high, and then I think it's what is it, $4 or something? $6? Oh, $4, yeah. So I've looked at this too many times, I know. So it's the next target, once we break 74 cents, it's going to be up to $4. So keep in mind that hey, Flipcoins, I'll answer your question in a second. Keep in mind that you have your target at 74 cents to $4. So at that point, everyone's probably fighting to see how low it's gonna or how high it's gonna go, and basically it's every man for himself at that point. So yeah, that's what I think about Dogecoin. All right, I'm going to buy Elon on Solana. Any concerns? Yeah, Flipcoin. So Elon's already up. Oh yeah, you're talking about. Wait, Elon on Solana? Flipcoins, is this the coin you're well, actually, I hope this isn't the coin. Are you talking about Dogel on Mars? Can you let me know if you're talking about Dogel on Mars, or are you talking about, like, another Elon coin? Let's see. Please do. Oh, I already did that. Welcome back, boss. What's up, Rayhan? How are you? How are your coins doing? You know what? I think you know what coin I want to look at. LOL. Do I know what coin you want to look at? Yeah. So with Allo, if you want to give me your coins, let me know. I actually I don't know. It's, what is it, like Swift Coin, XCN, GST, something like that. I don't remember. So for Dogel on Mars, the next target is obviously the retest of 604. And again, congratulations to everybody that bought this. I mean, we're up like 140%. So that is pretty nice to do. Or that is pretty nice to see. Next target is 604, but Flipcoins, look, the RSI is way in the green right now. So if you think, like, again, 99% of the time we're going to get some sort of correction, right? And I do need to redraw my targets at this point. But we'll just leave it for now because I do think we are going to get some sort of big correction that comes in play. So I personally, and I don't give not financial advice, I wouldn't buy at this point. I would have already been in. So we had this entire time to buy from August until November. And then everyone who accumulated down here is now up 100%. So I wouldn't pay double for, I wouldn't, but you can do whatever you want to do. Maybe if you're, maybe if your coin, did more than 150%, then it won't really matter because you would have got the same amount of coins. And if you think that Dogelon is going to go higher, then it should be fine. But yeah, let's see. I don't think I didn't guess. Oh, high, please. High Street, I'm assuming. Yeah, I'll take a look at that for you in a second. And then GST. I got a crypto because I got into crypto because of Dogecoin. Because of Dogecoin at half a penny got back in last year, 7 cents. This coin is a godsend. Yeah. Congrats on getting in early. And this is exactly what we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for the bull run. So, yeah. Yo, fool, Dogelon Mars is on fire. Is Gala on fire? I'll take a look at Gala for you. Is Solana version okay? So I think the Solana version has low liquidity. That's the only problem. So I think the Solana version has, I guess it doesn't have, I mean, it's not that low. I mean, yeah, it is kind of low liquidity. So it just depends on how much you're trying to buy. So Flipcoins, not financial advice, but if you're a whale and you're trying to buy a whole bunch, don't buy it on Solana because you're going to impact the price a lot, and the bots are going to eat it up and basically put you at a negative right off the bat. If you have Gemini, then I would personally buy it on Gemini. That's where I have Dogel on Mars. So I would buy it on Gemini. Because Gemini also has a lot more liquidity, and you could probably sell into sell walls and buy it easily with low fees. But it just depends on how much you're trying to buy. If you're trying to buy like $500 or whatever, then yeah, this is fine. I don't think it's going to impact the price that much. I don't think the slippage is going to be that much of a price impact. But if you're talking about like, if you're trying to buy a whole bunch, then yeah, definitely don't buy. I would probably not buy on Solana. So just FYI, yeah. Okay, so we already have 2 coin requests. I mean, we're probably going to get a whole bunch more. Surprisingly, we already have 20 people in the live or in the chat. So let's go. Let's try to get to 100 tonight. That would be pretty nice. So yeah, let's take a look at your guys' coins. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Dude, Dogecoin is still running. Oh my gosh. At this point, we need to do this. At this point, we need to have. I need to have this up because we need to keep this on the hourly, or actually on the 30-minute. So guys, on the 30-minute chart. Actually, you know what? We're gonna look at Dogecoin on the 1-minute chart. That should be pretty interesting. No, that's too much. I'll do 30 minutes. So Dogecoin on the 1-minute chart, we need to stay over 29 cents. That's very crucial. And then the next area is 41 cents. And then are we going to break 74 cents on the live stream tonight? That's a good question. Let's take a look at Bitcoin now. Let's leave that up on the side. Let's see. Bitcoin's at 89. Dude, are we what's happening with OXT? What the heck, guys? Come on. All right, so we're going to look at Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart because there's no charting this anymore. It's literally price discovery mode. But so at this point, we do have to look at areas of support. So on the 30 minutes, 86,182 absolutely needs to hold. And then in terms of next high, like I said last time, we do have a target at, and we're creeping up on it really fast, 94,000. So last stream, or before Bitcoin started going up, we said that it was 95,000. So I'm going to change it back to the 30 minutes, and then we could just keep this open here, keep Dogecoin open here, and then we could kind of alternate back and forth and see. While I'm looking at your, obviously while I'm looking at your guys' coins, we can keep an eye on it because obviously Bitcoin is just keeps going up. We're literally making history right now on this stream, guys. We are literally making history on this stream. This is the moment where we're getting out of the poorhouse, guys. We're gonna make it, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Flip coins for 10. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Let me look at your other coins too. I know you have used car. Let's see if anything has changed with used car. If it hasn't, don't worry. Just if you guys, yeah, we're still stuck in this box. So once we get over this box, obviously 3 cents 70, and then 7 cents and a half, and so on. So, and then let's see. Crying. So one of the biggest Warhammer YouTubers on YouTube. So if anybody plays Warhammer. Definitely, if any of the 22,000 people that are watching me right now, if anybody plays Warhammer, like the tabletop game, make sure you go check out Cryings, the guy who commented a heart, because he actually has a YouTube channel that deals with like memes and other stuff that's Warhammer related. So. Yeah, so let's take a look at High Street. Oh, Solon, what's up? Can you check? Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Can you check GST, PNG, Yearn Finance, and BitDAO? Yes, I'm assuming it's Sanjeevan. Absolutely. And then XRP, when I get to it, I'll get to that too, and obviously XLM and stuff. Let me take a look at GST really quick. So High Street. And then I'll take a look at all of your coins in Jivin. So give me 1 second. So nothing's changed. Yeah. Hey, if you guys feel bad that your coin's not going up, just remember that I'm holding OXT and that's it. So nothing's bullish with High Street until we get over $2.12. And then we have support. Unfortunately, are we actually at support right now? I mean, this is really hopium for you, for the gentleman who asked. We are over the 382 on the short-term time frame, so $1.50. We literally hugged it, So as long as we're over $1.50, 212 is next, and then I'd say once 212 breaks, then you are going to start your macro bull run. Obviously, as long as we stay over the targets. And then on the way down, as long as it's over $1.50, you should be fine. But if we don't, like every single time we've broken below it, we basically came back down and retested the lows. So just basically just hope that it stays over $1.50. Otherwise, most likely it's going to go back down again. And if you feel bad, just remember that I am holding this coin, and this coin isn't doing anything right now. But hey, I am up 27% from this low though. So I mean, I guess it's not nothing, but I'm a little bit, yeah, like 27%. So I'm a little bit, my heart's battle scarred at this point. 27% isn't anything when you're used to having your account go up 4x and you don't even sell it, and it goes all the way back down, and even more horrible. I have a friend actually who always tells me that I need to sell on the way up, and I never listen to him. But now with OXT and Dojo on Mars, I actually put in my sell orders, and I'm selling the entire way up. So I'm sure he's going to be proud of me, and he's not going to call me stupid and an idiot anymore. Yeah, that's not a really good friend if he actually did that. He doesn't actually call me that. So all right, let's take a look at GST for, oh, nice move, man. Let's take a look at GST for Sanjeevan, also for Aloe. So let's see. Oh, first of all, congratulations. That is literally 100% in literally 7 days. So Sanjeevan and Aloe, congratulations on your 100%. I do have to say that I think we are smacking into, we're over actually. Yeah, so far so good. So far we are over the 236 resistance. Next area of resistance is 2 cents 76, and once we break that, then I'd literally say GST to the moon. And then from the high to the low, unfortunately we have resistance. Actually, that's on the shorter time frame. So yeah, we have resistance at 4 cents 30 and then 11 cents, which we actually smacked against last time. At this point, I will put this here. The problem is that with a coin like GST, and including my coin and coins that really didn't run up, we have so much resistance. So looking back, like this we might get stuck here and come back down again, which would be horrible. We might get stuck at the 382, which is 2 cents 70 on the short time frame, and then come back down. We might get stuck at 4 cents 30 and then come back down, and then I'd say 11 cents is the last area of resistance, and once that breaks, then I'd say macro bullish for GST. But again, the problem is that we have so much resistance. I'm really hoping we break out of this and we just get up on out of here. But so far so good. We are up 100%. As long as it stays over 1 cent 86, then it's solid, it's good. If it doesn't, then just remember that we might get a bigger sell-off, and at that point we do need to make a higher low. And although this target is very low, but I like using the 786 as the worst case scenario and the lowest it can go for it to still be bullish, because then technically you're still making a higher low. I'm not saying that it's going to go that low. I'm just saying that 1 cent 86 needs to hold, and then worst case scenario we get Bitcoin goes back down to 60K whatever, 1 cent before it keeps going back up. 1 cent 11 is the next area that it needs to hold. So let's see. Your next one is Pangolin. Is it over resistance or no? No, it's not. So Sanjeevan, I'm sorry to say this. Again, if you feel bad about this, just remember that I'm holding OXT, so I'm in the same boat. It's not moving. I like saying that now. Oh, I'm holding OXT. Like everyone already knows what that means. Like, oh man, everyone better feel bad for me. My biggest position, unfortunately, only went up 27% today. Oh, boo-hoo me. But that is valid. My feelings are valid because everything else is going up 100, 200, 300%, and I get 27%. It's fine. I do think that it'll pay off in the long run. But I might have just picked a dud. It's okay. I still believe in it. And that's me basically coping. So unfortunately, Solon, hey, oh my gosh, hold on. Hey, come on. Okay, so So unfortunately, we're still stuck in resistance at 23 to 30 cents. We already knew that, Solon. We've been talking about it since August of last year. As long as we are under, as long as we're consolidating resistance, is fine. We got up to 30 cents. 30 cents needs to break. Once 30 cents breaks, then we are looking at 81 cents. If for whatever reason Bitcoin breaks down and this doesn't go up, then we are going to come back down and probably retest 17 to 18 cents support, which is the 618 from the low to from prior to the move to the high. So just keep that in mind too. Nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at Pangolin. And then let's look at Yearn Finance. I remember this coin. This coin went up to like $91,000. I saw it at 8,000. I was like, that's $8,000. I think at that time I had like 10 grand, and I was like, dude, there's no way this thing's gonna go up, but I should probably buy it, but I never did. And I would never, like, going back, like, I wouldn't have bought it. But then again, I would have done the same thing most likely. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So never mind. That doesn't even matter. So this thing went up to like 81,000. I thought it went up higher actually. Yeah, 93,000 was the all-time high. So, yeah, good luck with this coin. Let's see. So we got Yearn Finance. So from the high to the low, from the east to the west, we are not bullish yet because we are not over the 236. 84.60 absolutely needs to break. We do need it break over this area of resistance. Once that breaks, I'd say to the moon. However, as long as we're under this level, then we are looking at needing to hold this floor. So again, although we are getting nice moves up on some altcoins, like 50%, 40%, 30%, it's not macro bullish, unfortunately, and it's just stuck in consolidation. So if you're holding a coin that's just consolidating under the 236 on the macro time frame, that's unfortunate, because then you got a coin like DOGECOIN here that is literally about to retest the 786 from the high to the low, which is the macro target. So imagine if DOGECOIN was still consolidating in the 236. That's very bearish. That's not bullish at all. So yeah, that's what I think about Yearn Finance. And then BitDAO, did that have a nice move? No, it didn't, unfortunately. So with BitDAO, we unfortunately came back up and got stuck at the 236. I know this because I just looked at it. So from the high to the low, it looks like we broke 93 cents, and then we didn't close over it. We actually wicked under, and then now we're consolidating again under the 236. So unfortunately, there's nothing bullish with this coin until it gets over 92, 93 cents. And then in terms of the floor goes, because I'm not gonna, I mean, we could theoretically say the 786, but we don't need to worry about that right now, because again, I don't know how some of these coins aren't going up, but we're also just waiting for the Bitcoin dominance to drop at this point. Once the Bitcoin dominance drops, then my coin, including all of your guys' coin, is gonna go up. It's nice to see that we did actually come back down and tag 86,000, and then now we're making and then we actually made a higher high, and we double top. So hopefully we break out of this area. Once we do, $95,000 is in play. Again, right now we don't have any resistance up to 95,000. So congratulations to whoever has 95,000 or 86,000, $88,000, because you're probably gonna get, if you're getting in the trade, that's an easy $5,000, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for BitDAO. I know that was a lot of information. Thank you so much for the super chat. Flipcoins, I really appreciate the super chat. I really hope you become a millionaire, because you have seriously came in here and gave me a super chat every single time, and it doesn't go unnoticed. And I just want you to know, thank you so much for that. You're also a member, and that's awesome. That's really cool. So thank you for the super chat. I really do appreciate it. Let's see. Not Dylan Tan. No, I don't have Twitter. I'm never going to have Twitter. The only thing I have is Instagram, and I only post the, like, I'm live streaming today at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Tune in, and like Bitcoin stuff or like crypto stuff. For the most part, that's what I'm going to be using Instagram for. So, and then I also post shorts on YouTube for when I'm going to go live. So, yeah. All right, hold on. Everything's going up. Is my coin going up? Nope. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin or Dogecoin. Come on, Dogecoin. Let's get a breakout. Let's look at the chat. See how the chat's doing. Can you do XRP? Can you do ACH? Yo, bro, a whale dumped Hoppy, but I'm still bullish. Take a look, please. Okay. I'll take a look at Hoppy. There's a lot of coin requests right now, so we'll try to get to all of them for you guys. Let me look at Hoppy first. Taking a look at Hoppy for... Ooh, oh, that's not good. Yeah, so unfortunately, we actually got rejected at the 2 areas of resistance. So if you make, I mean, you still have the chance of making money. So if you did, good. If you didn't, then that's unfortunate because this was a huge dump, around 62%. At this point, we need to look at support. So we have support at, I mean, technically we wicked but didn't close over 3016. So 3016 is still support, and at this point we are looking at resistance. At this point I'm going to do this actually. Yeah, so we have resistance at 3002 to 3023. Keep in mind that this is a strong area of resistance. So once we break that, I would probably put it back up to all-time high. And then if not, then 3016 absolutely does need to hold. So just FYI. Sanjeevan for another super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. That's really cool. Thank you so much. Spell token, if I was about you to 25K, you think I should put it in GST or ADA or stacks? Oh, so, well, I can't give you financial advice, but you're saying spell token? Okay, if I was about to put 25K, oh, okay. So spell token is, you want me to look at spell token, and then you're saying if you want to put 25 grand, which one do I think I should put? Well, first of all, I can't give you financial advice, but I'm gonna look at all the 3 coins and I'll give you all the information regarding market cap and all that stuff. So. So that's the best that I can do. Bitcoin's still holding 88,800. Dogecoin's still holding 35 cents. OXC still sucks. So let's take a look at spell token first. So first and foremost, we have to look at spell token. Ooh, spell token had a nice move. Let's go. So spell token actually went up 94% and it's still holding 54%. So congratulations to whoever bought the lows. Keep in mind that nothing's bullish on the macro time frame until spell token breaks 309, which we already knew that. Keep in mind we also are getting stuck at resistance. So although, oh wait, no, we're actually over 307. So, oh, spell token's about to be bullish. Is this it? Oh, this is such a crucial area for spell token. So look at this. We're trying to break out of this downtrend right now. So very, very, very key area that needs to hold is 307. Worst case scenario, we do need to hold 3055. Once we break 3009, then I'd say spell to the moon. We're probably going to come retest up to 2019. And once that breaks, I'd say spell token to the moon. Okay. And spell token, keep in mind, it's not a bad play because from the low to the high is around, at this point, it used to be 80x, right? When we were looking at it, it was like, yeah, when we were looking at it back here, it was 80x, right? Yeah, so 83x, so 8,300%, man, that's life-changing. So when we were looking at this before, this was 83x, so I hope you got in when we were talking about it back here, but if you didn't, then theoretically, you know, from the current price, whatever you have, it's around a 40x back up to its all-time high. So there's a lot of potential there. Let's look at, you said GST ADA sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. It might go up, but I'm not a big Cardano fan. I just think the problem with Cardano is it's already a $20 billion market cap coin, and unfortunately, I just, I don't have enough money to put in here in order to get like life-changing wealth. Also, just keep in mind that but Dojo on Mars, on the other hand, that's this thing is about a rocket ship, guys. Look at this. Come on. Come on, look. I mean, I mean, this is like a once in a lifetime sort of deal, guys. Look at this. Look at this rocket ship right now. Look at this giant green candle that's forming. Come on, get me out of here. Get me out. Come on, Dojo on Mars. Okay, so back to ADA. So we did get stuck at the 382 on the macro time frame. So nothing's bullish with ADA until we break 58 cents. Keep in mind that once ADA breaks the high, you are looking at the next area of resistance being $16, and that is around a 26x. $16 and a 26x is going to put the market cap still like around 500 billion. So what's Ethereum's market cap right now? So 400 billion. So it's kind of a gamble, and that's on the high end. So I wouldn't necessarily think that ADA is a good play, but I mean, as far as risk to reward ratio, maybe, but I mean, not up to not up to $16. I think that you would really have to diamond hands it, and it would actually have to go up that high for you to make any sort of big amount of money. GST. Yeah, this is oh wow, we're actually, I think we broke key. Wow, congratulations to GST. I never bought this coin, but congratulations. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, if you're buying, you probably shouldn't buy when a coin's up 100%. Sanjeevan, just my advice. Maybe wait until a pullback. Keep in mind that again with GST, the RSI is all the way up here overbought, so it does need to cool off. Every single coin needs to cool off. You really need to buy when the RSI is under the 50% oversold range, in my opinion. We just actually looked at GST too. So next area of resistance is 2 cents 70. Unfortunately, we have resistance the entire way up, but back up to its all-time highs of 440x. So can that 400x? Well, a 10x is 400 million, 100x is 4 billion, and then 4 times that is 16 billion. So I think it's very possible for GST to go back up to its all-time high, being under a $20 billion market cap when Dogecoin, when Dogecoin and when SHIBA INU hit $80 billion market cap and $40 billion market cap. So just FYI. And then your third, and then Stacks. I don't know what Stacks is, but I'll take a look at it for you. So Stacks is, okay, so this thing's already at 3.9 billion. It's fully diluted, so we don't have to really do math here. That's great. I don't have to bust out my calculator. So with Stacks, from the high to the low, first and foremost, we are over the 382. That's very bullish. Next target is 237. Once that breaks, you're looking at 295. Previous high, and then you're looking at $8.78. And keep in mind, because the market cap is already 3 billion or 4 billion, you are looking at a $12 billion market cap with the price being only $9. So can it go higher? Sure, but there isn't really, in my opinion, there isn't that much room for it to go up. But if you're trying to make an easy 2 to 3x, then I'd say that's very possible. But if you're trying to go into a coin that's under 100 million and hope that it hits, like 5 billion, 10 billion, that's where you're making life-changing money. So with any sort of pull down with Stacks, I would say Stacks needs to hold $1.93 to $1.71. It absolutely needs to hold this area, otherwise we are going to come back down, and we are going to validate this downtrend that we're forming. Okay. And the same story. We come down, make a lower low, go up, and then everyone's bullish because we're going up, but we're actually smacking against the downtrend that's forming. And then once the downtrend breaks, then you're going to get a move like this, which has happened every single time, right? So, yeah, that's. I know that's a lot of information. I hope that all made sense. And again, thank you so much for the super chats. I really do appreciate that, and that's awesome. Oh, Dogecoin's printing green. Dogecoin's printing green on the 30-minute time frame, guys. We need to break 3680. Yeah, so again, we have little to no resistance to 41. It might actually hit 41 before we get a big move down. There's at least a few people that listen to him. Wait, what do you mean? Flex. Can you do Beam and Dogelon? And GambleCoin ACS? Yes. So first and foremost, Dogelon, there's there's really nothing to say. We're up like 150%. Yippee. So the next area of resistance is 604. Keep in mind that is strong area of resistance. It would, once we break, we really need to break 604, and then the rocket ship's gonna like go into overdrive, and we're gonna blast up on out of here. We're gonna go past the moon. If that happens, I'm out. Oh my gosh, I'm done. And on the way down, at this point, we do need to actually redraw our targets. We like really blew up on out of here. Oops. So here, I'll redraw the targets for Dogelon. So again, from the high to the low. Yeah, so we got this box is resistance. And then in terms of support, with any sort of sell-off, we do absolutely need to hold this box. If we don't, then we're going back down and everyone's going to say Dogelon Mars is a scam. And I wouldn't have learned my lesson from last time when my account went up like 4x and I didn't sell. So at this point, again, I said that my heart is immune and it's battle scarred because I know what I want and I'll wait for it. So yeah, so as long as it stays over 602 to 6023, we should be solid. And then you're talking about Beam. Did that have a nice move? Let's see. I mean, 8%, and it's up 50% on 7 days. That's really good. So that's really, really good. So let's see. Okay, so we're overbought a little bit. That's fine. We are overbought. Keep that in mind. We are over. See, that's perfect. That's perfect representation. We broke out of the 0.5. Next target is going to be 25, so 2 cents 50. It absolutely does need to stay over 2 cents 11. So with any sort of pullback, and if the RSI needs to cool off, we do need to hold 2 cents 11. And then in terms of support goes, I guess it does coincide with 236 a little bit. So oops. So I'd say this box absolutely needs to hold. So you're looking at 2 cents, so 2 cents 11 needing to hold when any sort of trace back, and then you're looking at 2.5 cents. And then once 2.5 cents breaks, I'd say beam to the moon. You're on your way to retesting the previous high. And then what was your last coin? So ACS, GambleCoin. I love looking at gamble coins. Oh, Access Protocol. This isn't that much of a gamble coin actually. This is on Coinbase. So let's see. Yeah, this is still kind of rubbish right now. So from the high to the low, nothing's bullish until, wait a minute. Yeah, until we break, is that the right one? Yeah. So nothing's bullish with Access Protocol until we break 2027. You can see like we barely came up and tagged it. So it's still bearish. And then from the low to the high, we broke under the 382. So at this point, it needs to stay over 2015 in order to make a higher low and start a reversal. Whether it's temporary like this was, or whether it's the mark of the start of the bull run for Access Protocol, I don't know. You're gonna have to figure that out on your own. So yeah, that's what I think about Access Protocol. Two very key areas are 2015 and then 2027. So let's keep it very simple. Yes, thank you, Solon. Thank you. Yo, what's your thoughts on CTSI? Thanks, bro. I'm still up 100x on Hoppy. Boo-hoo, right? Oh yeah, like what? You're still up 100x on Hoppy, bro? That's the dream. And I mean, Hoppy is probably the RSI is probably like in the red, right? Let's see. Yeah, the RSI, like, no, I mean, I guess I would have thought that with a 63% dump, yeah, 65% dump, the RSI would have been in the red, but I guess not. So yeah, still valid targets here for Hoppy. So RSI doesn't mean much when BTC passes all-time high. You're wrong. I don't agree with that. It absolutely matters. It absolutely matters. RSI is everything. We are like when the RSI is in the green, in the green and in the red, it absolutely matters. But that's, again, you can, we can agree to disagree. That's fine. I just don't agree with it. What's a good entry for Doge right now? I don't know. You missed out. I mean, I feel like everyone who's asking right now, like you had 3-4 months. You had 7 years, right? Like Vision says, you have like 7 years to go to buy it. And at this point, if you're waiting for a retracement, 29 cents is the next area that it needs to stay over before continuation up. So I'd say probably 29 cents. Not financial advice, but I feel like that's also risking it because we could come all the way back down to 22 to 24 cents, right? XRP. Oh yeah, that's right. I there's a lot of people in the chat, so I have to do the super chats first, and then I can go back and do the coin requests. So now let's take a look at XRP for the gentleman who asked. So taking a look at XRP, unfortunately, XRP, nothing is bullish with XRP as of right now, because from the high to the low. Oh wait, never mind. I take that back. We're actually about to turn bullish. Oh yeah, we broke 59.60 cents. Next area of resistance 75 cents, 94 cents, $1.30. Previous high, and then you're looking at up to $6.44. So yeah, very simple, very simple analysis for XRP is as long as it stays over 59.60 cents, which is literally hugging right now, so we're stuck at resistance. But let's just give you some hopium. You're looking at 75 cents next, and then little to no resistance to 94 cents. You got to figure out at what point you got to sell and rebuy in and stuff like that. That's on you. 94 cents. These are all targets though, so it can get up to these areas before we experience turbulence, right? $1.30, $1.96. Once the all-time high breaks, this thing might go parabolic to $6.44. Also, keep in mind that that does put the market cap at around what the market cap of Ethereum is right now. So if Ethereum does 10x from here, you are looking at a $30,000 Ethereum and then a $6. Given that it's relative and it goes up at the relative pace of one another, that is what's going to happen. So obviously altcoins do outperform, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I hope that made sense, and yeah, that's pretty much it. How high do you think we'll go? BTC about to 95. All right, okay, so BTC, I have a target at 95.220. So 95.220 is right now, and clearly we are it looks like we're about to break out, so hopefully we break out on stream because history is about to be made. Oops. And then DOGECOIN right now, the next target up is 41 cents. So everything's still valid. Everything is literally, yeah, everything's marked on the charts right now. So Pain South, what's up, man? How high do you think Sol will go? I'll take a look at Sol and Ethereum Classic for you right now. Give me 1 second. What's up, Dead Money? Louis the Cool, welcome to Crypto Cats. Let's go. Thank you so much for the membership. That's awesome. XCN looking pretty nice. I'll take a look at that for you in a second. Can you check Gala, by the way? Everyone is asking asking what the price what the price go ape Doge pile in now, fools. Okay, I don't know what you said, but I'll take a look at Gala for you. Yay, I'm a member now. PNG still, yeah, so PNG still in resistance between 23. Resistance is 23 to 30 cents. So there's nothing to look at with PNG until it breaks over. And also don't get overly bullish like last time if it goes up to 29.30 cents, because we could get stuck there. So Aquarius all day. Can we look at LCX and Moonwell? Grago and Jassy Pollock, please. Yes, I can look at all that. I do have to prioritize the super chats over everybody's coin requests. So obviously you guys have to just wait until I do all the super chats and then the yeah, the super chats. So let's see. And I hope you guys understand. So thanks, man. That was very easy to understand. Yeah, absolutely. That's what we do here. Very easy. We're keeping it very simple. RSI, overbought, don't buy, oversold. You guys should already be in right now, not chasing the pumps, hopefully. Whoa, oh, 1/3 place medal in a big 5K race today. I usually listen to your content once I'm done with my training sessions every Saturday morning. I just want to share that. I appreciate all you do. Hey, free lightning! That is so nice. What the heck? You're going to make me cry on stream. That is actually really nice. I would never cry on stream. I would just like pretend like my camera's doing some malfunction or something. Like, oops, sorry guys, we're experiencing some malfunction. But no, that's really nice. That's really nice for you to say. I really appreciate that. You appreciate my content. It's really motivating and it's really nice. So thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Let's look at Grago for the new member, Louis the Cool. Thank you so much for the membership. Let's see if any, let's see. So we have a previous graph here. So we are still over the box. So over the box is still valid target for 8 cents. Under the box, we're going to 0. We're going to have to redraw the areas of support at that point. But because we're in the box, there's no, and we're printing a green candle right now, there is no reason why we would, there's like no reason why we would change the graph. So this graph is saved. We'll just leave it as is. Over 1 cent 30 is solid. We are consolidating in support right now. As long as we stay over that, we should be fine. 8 cents is in play. Obviously, you already know this is a gamble coin, so you got to do what's best for you. But yeah, so 7,437K, not really much to work with. So you got to do what's best for you at the end of the day. And then Jassy Pollock. Taking a look at Jassy Pollock, which actually, yeah, so we actually respected all the areas of resistance. We stayed over the box. We smacked against resistance. So again, congratulations to whoever bought this move, because that's around a 9x. Again, that could be life-changing. But then again, who's going to put $10,000 in a coin that's that has $470,000 a market cap, and that's 113,000? But for whoever that did, congratulations on your 90 grand. We are getting some sort of pullback right now. Because we didn't break and stay over this level, we don't need to change the graph. The chart, as long as it stays over 3 zeros 35, worst case scenario 3 zeros 23, our target at 2 zeros 1 is still in play, as long as we break 3 zeros 5, which we got stuck at, and we got stuck at basically. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you for coming to the live stream. Have a good night. Bye. Like, imagine if I'm like, you know what, see you guys later. No way. This is history being made right now. Bitcoin's about to break. Bitcoin's about to literally break. Yeah, 88.9, 88.9. Man, we are going to the moon. Let's see. Do you have any idea what coin's Vision is holding? I'm super curious. No, I don't. I have no idea what anyone's holding. GST is breaking. I'm sorry if I missed anyone's coins. Please let me know if I missed anyone's coins. Because again, like, super chats take precedent over any other messages. Obviously, you know, I have to prioritize those over anyone else. But I'll actually still look at your guys' coins. But again, just remember, oh yeah, it is breaking out. Whoa, red alert, we have a breakout, GST. So this is for Aloe. Aloe, congratulations. Hey, Aloe, sell your GST and buy OXT so I can get out. Not financial advice. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, I gotta look at Gala for Gearhead. Let me look at Gala before he beats me up. So taking a look at Gala on the live stream. Yeah, so unfortunately, this kind of looks like OXT. Hey, if it's 27%, you have to buy OXT. Oh no, you're so lucky. It's 59%. Okay. All right, never mind. So yeah, again, 27% was OXT. So I feel like I have to put. I'll take a look at GST after this again. Yeah. So nothing's bullish with Gala until we break 3 cents 40. So just keep that in mind. And then from the, I hate using this, but yeah, I guess as long as it stays over 2 cents 30, we should be fine. But if we break below it, then I'd say Gala's just literally been consolidating for 2 years. So actually going on 3 years, right? December 2022, December 2024. Oh, no, 2 years. So going, yeah, it will be 3 years, January. Yeah, January. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Gala. It is still up 57%. So Gearhead, congratulations. I mean, it is up. I know that's not, and you want your coin to be where Dogecoin's at, like up here. That's the problem. In our coins, or at least my coin isn't, and your coin isn't. So I get what you're feeling, because everything's up here right now, and we're like struggling to break through all resistance key points. So that's not good. Let's see. What did I miss? Ladies. Oh yeah, the Wander asked for CTSI. I gotta look at CTSI for our Cartesi for him, and then Kobe Soul. I'll take a look at that, and then we'll just take it from there. So taking a look at Cartesi, CTSI. Is this a Coinbase coin? Yeah, it is. That's why I recognized it. Oh wait, hold on. We gotta keep this on. We gotta keep this actually on. So I'm gonna leave. So now, officially. Oh no, are we done? Is it over? I'm adding GST because we might have a breakout on the stream here to my coins that we're going to be looking at on the live. So let me see. And then I'll take a look at Cartesi for the gentleman who, the Wanderer. Okay, and then we're going to change it to a 30-minute like we did. All right. So this is to Aloe, who's going to sell all of her GST and buy OXT. This is for you. If it hits 4 cents 29, you know, on stream, you know what to do. Okay, so as long as it stays over 1 cent 80, we should be fine. Our next target is 2 cents 70. So that's pretty much it. We're going to leave this here like with Bitcoin and with Dogecoin. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. Oh no, is it over? Well, I mean, it's not over for GST. Okay, so Cartesi. Oh, come on, OXT. All right, so taking a look at Cartesi for the Wanderer. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 18 cents, 70. Once that breaks, you are looking at little to no resistance at 29 cents. Unfortunately, every single time we came up, we sold off and came right back down. The goal is, what you really want to see it is, it needs to stay over this level, fall by continuation up. But unfortunately, we didn't get that 2 times. There is no more support for CTSI, unfortunately. The next area of support is going to be this previous low. And then in terms of resistance goes on the shorter time frame, we are actually in resistance right now. And resistance the 382 does coincide with the macro 236. So this is just another one of those coins where I'm like, hey, we have resistance the entire way up. And obviously it's because we're at the all-time lows, near the all-time lows. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this coin. Again, 14 to 18 cents is resistance, so don't get overly bullish in case we draw a candlestick up to 18, 19 cents. It needs to break over and stay over that level. Same thing goes for 29 cents. Otherwise, the floor is, we don't know where the floor is, and the next area of support is 9 cents. So I hope that made sense. Let's look at GST. Oh, GST is running again. It's not over. Bitcoin's at 88,600. Let's go. And then Dogecoin is, oh, you better not print a red candle. But it's fine, because even if we get a nice little pullback, then it should be fine. We should keep continuing up. But what's really good is GST is going to the moon. Chad, you want ladies? Guy Armin, Kobe Soul, next target. Bought 5 million of buy the dip coin on Kronos. Whoa. Oh, 5 million coins. I was like, $5 million? Where? Hey, man, you gotta hook me up. The 5 million coins, I don't know how much that is, but I'll take a look at that for you. GMT, yeah, it's over. It was a good run. David Wood, I already looked at GST, but we're actually looking at GST live right now. So GST is right now, it needs to stay over 1 cent 80, and then it needs the next target as of right now. The next area of resistance is 2 cents 70, and then I gotta look at everyone else's coins. So ladies, hey ladies, let's have some fun. Nobody knows that song. Nobody knows that song. I highly doubt anybody knows that song. Okay, so don't look it up. So for my ladies coin, unfortunately, we are still not at resistance. We have macro resistance at 601 to 6014. So once that breaks, I'd say lady to the moon, retest of the previous high is in play. However, as of right now, this is still the floor, and we've been consolidating. So there's really nothing much to look at lady coin. And then Kobe on Solana, which I actually have a graph for because I think you've asked for this before. Yeah, so very simple. Again, congratulations. We're about to hit one of our targets. But if you want to be a greedy pig like me, then your next target is going to be 12 cents 69. So that is around a 17x actually. And again, congratulations, because we're like, if you actually bought this and we broke through resistance and now we're going to go retest 2 cents, then congratulations. But at this point, I do need to redraw the areas of support because we are over here. So from the low to the high, you are looking at support needing to hold at between 1 cent 30 and 1 cent 50. Worst case scenario, if this doesn't hold, we are going to get a bigger move down, and at that point it would be the 786, which is down here. And arguably, I always argue this point, if it does come down this low, then you are going to then you are still making a higher low technically, and it's still bullish. But if that breaks, then it's a good game. So very simple. 1 cent 30, 1 cent 50, 2 cents is in play, and if you want to be greedy, then 13 cents. Because this is a gamble coin, which you already know, that is around a 6x from the current price, which is going to put the market cap at around $80 million. So do with it what you will, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, and again, congratulations on if you're actually going to sell. So let's see. Oh, buy the dip. That's another coin. Hold on, we gotta check GST. Nope, still hanging on. We're having a pullback on Bitcoin. 88,500. 86,302 absolutely needs to hold though. And then Dogecoin is also having a red candle, so I'm probably gonna lose all my view. Oh wait, what about OXT? No, OXT sucks. Okay, so you want it buy the dip, right? You bought 5 million buy the dip, and you're up 84%. First of all, congratulations. I hope my technical analysis is what did it for you. I'm just joking, but look at this, guys. That's crazy, man. Oh my gosh, 250x in like 2 days. What? Why can't I get this? I mean, Dojo on Mars is one story, but why can't OXT do something like this? Come on. All right, so this is to the gentleman who is now probably a millionaire. Actually, I don't know. It just depends on how much money you put in. So very bullish over the 618. Next target obviously is 002, 003 previous high. You're looking at up to 1 cent this run. So this is crazy, guys. Like, I hope y'all, hey, this isn't gonna last. Just FYI, guys. Like, I've been here for the last 2 runs, and this is not gonna last. So get whatever you can, and just, you know, don't be a bag holder. It is a 5x backup. It is a 5x for an all-time high target at around 5x. That does still keep the market cap under 100 million. So if it just depends on what you're trying to do, not the coin. It just depends on how much you're willing to risk. But again, this is a gamble coin, and it's up 250%. So As long as it stays over 001, I'd say 0016. It's very bullish. Next area is going to be 2022, followed by all-time high, and then 1 cent. So good luck. Sushi to the gentleman. Okay, so you want sushi. Where's the next level of resistance for GST? David Wood, the next level of resistance for GST is 2 cents 77. The next area after that is the macro target at 4 cents 20. Once that breaks, you're probably going to go retest that previous wick that we experienced earlier this year, which put it at like 14 cents. So if that actually does happen, then yeah, like good for you. That is a big move actually. So taking a look at sushi swap, and then what else did I miss? I'm all in on GST right now. Well, I hope you're not buying right now. I hope you bought it when we were talking about it at 201. No, wait, sorry, at one, like here basically at 11. So I really hope you bought in earlier, and you're not buying the pump, because these go away really fast. Okay, so I don't want everybody to stay excited because the shadow realm is literally calling us. The shadow realm takes souls every single day. So if you don't close, like, there's no closing the door to the shadow realm too. And I actually play Yu-Gi-Oh, so I can actually say that. So just FYI, the shadow realm's calling for you guys' name. GST, Kobe's going to 12 cents, and then you're holding like all the coins and hit 6 cents, and then it goes to absolutely zero. Man, that's the worst feeling ever. Okay, so sushi swap. Where are your signals? What do you mean, where are my signals? Yankster, what are you talking about? How about hee? How about hee? Is that a coin, or am I dumb? Oh, nice. Well, first of all, this coin can't... Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a cat coin, huh? What about hee? So from the high to the low, it's... Yeah, so it got rejected at 618. I'd say on the macro time frame, I know nobody wants to hear about the macro time frame, because... Yeah, because it's just everyone's impatient in crypto, like me. I'm super impatient. I want this. Like, this is what I want every single day. I'm pretty happy right now, but again, the shadow realm's calling my name right now. So this is it too much to ask for this every single day? Oh, look at it. That's beautiful. Literally broke past the 200-day moving average, broke past resistance. Literally rocket ship on boosters. I mean, it's only 123%. Only 123. I get it. People are going to be like, wow, like blah, blah. Hey, I can want what I want, There's nothing wrong with wanting, It's making it happen, which is exactly what we're trying to do. So I'm going to make it happen. I mean, I'm not. Everyone is. Everyone's going to buy Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars to 402. Let's go. All right, so I did buy the dip. I'm on sushi swap. Oh, no, sorry. Someone was asking for hee. That's what it was. Yeah, so for hee, I hope I answered your question before I got distracted. So as long as it stays over 2 cents 30, then you're looking at the retest of the all-time high at 4 cents 22. Keep in mind that if it breaks over this point, then you do have a target at 6 cents, up to 6 cents. And because you're new to crypto, just remember these targets aren't like set in stone. These are just targets where you know that these are the next areas of resistance. So it's wherever you feel comfortable taking profits, it's where you should. So say it hits 4 cents and the next target 6 cents and it's at 5 cents. You're like, you know what? I'm fine with 5 cents. I'm going to sell a little bit and I'll keep a little bit more in case it goes to 6 cents. You should always take profits on the way up, just FYI. Keep in mind that is only 100% from the current price, which has put the market cap at 50 million. Again, you're a gambler. I'm not calling you a degen. I'm just saying you're a gambler. So keep in mind this is a gamble coin, and yeah, we're just keep looking at it for you, and we'll circle back next live stream to see where it's at, because I'll save this graph. That way we can look at it. WTF, the market is crazy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, David Wood. You shall be getting new members. Yes, I need new members. I need to feed my cats. I need to buy them. I need to buy them litter. Thank you guys so much. What are your thoughts on Bonk? I think that I already missed out on a coin that went up 50,000%. Don't ever bring up a coin that made up that. Don't ever bring up a coin that made up that's already up 50,000%. I'm just joking. Here, let's take a look at Bonk for short vids. But yeah, that's what I think about Bonk. Like what? Like if you go on the all, it's up. Sorry, not 50%. Oh my, I'm sorry, 23,500%. I think that unfortunately I missed the train on this, so there's literally no point in even looking at it. It's like you know, burning bridges. Once you don't really want to look back. Before I look at Bonk, let's look at DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN is having a green candle on the 30-minute, so 41 cents is still in play because we are over 29 cents. Keep that in mind. Bitcoin is having a green candle. This is beautiful. $95,000 is still in play. GST is having a red candle, which means that my OXT bag isn't going to get pumped. And then taking a look at Bonk. So Bonk, we are over the 382 at around 5023. We did get stuck at the 0.5. Once that breaks, you're looking at, yeah, I mean, like, it's kind of a, you know, let's see how high it can actually go, right, relative to the market cap. So you're looking at 409. So let's just say 301. So that is around a 300, let's just call it 300% pump from the current price. For Bonk, a 300% is a 3x. So I guess it's not impossible for it to hit 6 billion because it's still under 10 billion. And if you think about it, Dogecoin went to 80 billion. Sorry, yeah, Dogecoin went to 80 billion. Dogelon Mars went to 40 billion. So if this is the coin that's going to go to 20 billion, then I'd say it's very possible. I just don't know. And for me to see that, it's just it doesn't really interest me into buying it. But that's what I think about Bonk. I think it's fine. I think it's solid, and I just think it's a little bit too rich for my blood because it's already at $2 billion market cap. That's all I'm trying to say. Do you send out signals? Like, what do you mean? Like outer space? Do I send out signals outer space? No. I don't want the aliens to find me. Me and my friends, I don't want to be seen. Let's see. Me and my friends are new to crypto and we do not want to we do not go to the shadow realm. Roberto, then I would strongly suggest you take profits on the way up. And when you take profits on the way up, don't get overly excited and put it back in because you'll get chopped up. If you have the discipline to take profits and then put it like away, just withdraw it, put it in your account and don't look at it, that feeling, eventually it'll solidify if you conquer it. Like if you actually go through with not getting excited and putting it back in. Some people just have to go through it in order to see it. But yeah, I mean, if this makes sense to you, then hopefully I'm rooting for you. I don't want anybody to not make it, obviously. So, you know, if you have that discipline, or if you could just do that, then you should be fine. Because if you're working with so much capital, then you should play the long game. So you should, you know, really take profits, leave it, let the rest ride, and then you'll know when the bear market starts. And this goes for anyone. And when the bear market starts, there's still opportunity to make money because we can look at where the RSIs are in a bear market and try to buy huge dips, and then accumulate and then get us ready for the next bull run, which in theory at that point you'll have a whole bunch of coins, and then you'll do the same thing, which is sell on the way up, but you'll have a lot more coins because you kept your coins from taking profits right now. So I know that's a lot of information. I hope that made sense, and I really don't. I don't want you to get sent to the shadow realm because I got sent in the shadow realm. I made a ton of money with SHIBA INU and then I gave it all back. So it's not a good feeling. Do you think Dogecoin Mars can make a 30x from here? Oh, from here? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it can, because 30x is 508. I think it can. I think that at any point, once we break all-time high, it's every man for himself. So, like, you got to decide between 5 zeros 26, free lightning. Between 5 zeros 26 and 4 zeros 2 is free game. Maybe just keep a billion, or maybe just keep like 10 billion or whatever you have. Maybe just keep that much and let it, just don't look at it, because theoretically you're still like, you should sell on the way up, right? You should be selling on the way up and taking profits, especially when your account goes up 100%, 400%, 800%, which is the next target, and then like 1300, and so on. So just FYI. Can you do ACH, please? Kevin Leon. No, I can't do ACH. Taking a look at ACH for Kevin Leon. Or I guess I should say not taking a look at ACH for Kevin Leon. Let's take a look at it. So from the high to the low. Yeah, so we're over the 236. We're working our way up to 2 cents 75, which is the macro 236. Once that breaks, you're looking at 4 cents 10. I'd say to the moon once we break that, because at that point we'll be retesting it 3 times, and we've been consolidating for more than 2 years now, 2 years and going on 6 months. So once we break that, I'd say to the moon. But in terms of support goes, keep in mind, because we are still kind of, yeah, so we don't have any more. So it would be this, yeah, 1 cent 60. So, worst case scenario, 1 cent 68 absolutely needs to hold. We do need to establish a floor. And I'm not saying that's going to happen, because that's like a really, really, really big drop. But you should probably know this. Yeah, I guess it's not too crazy. 28%. So worst case scenario, 1 cent 68, 1 cent 70 needs to hold. As of right now, the next targets are still valid at 2 cents 75. And once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance at 4 cents 19. Once that breaks and we stay over it, meaning you don't get wicks like we've got the last couple of times, it stays over it and consolidates over this level, then I'd say ACH to the moon. So I wish by the dip goes to at least 15 cents. Bro, are you going to hold it to 15 cents? Hey, but are you not the one? Are you actually going to hold it to 15 cents though? That's the question, right? Because if you hold it to 15 cents, like, what is that? Sorry, let me stop the live stream to look at this for not the one. Yeah, so 80x. So what would 80x put the market cap? So 10x would be 120 million, and then 8 times that is going to be still put the market cap under billion. So it's not uncommon, or it's not impossible. It's not like you're saying that this thing's going to go from 12 million to like 400 billion, which is harder to do, obviously. Also not impossible. But you're talking about still under $1 billion market cap. I think that's pretty valid to say. You just really have to diamond hands it, and I hope it works out for you. So, cat with bag, please. Crypto to craze. You got it. I'll take a look at that for you. You said buy the dip can reach 1 cent. Why not 20 cents? Because that puts the market cap a lot higher. So it just depends on like how much you're willing to gamble with it. Like, and if this is going to be one of the coins that makes it to centralized exchanges, if this is going to be the one coin that hits 1 billion, you just don't know. So that's why you should sell on the way up, have a little bit of bag left, and then best case scenario, you still become a millionaire because you kept $1,000 in, but you made 20 grand or 30 grand, but you left $1,000 in, and it so happens to be that buy the dip got listed on Coinbase or Binance or whatever, or it went up like 20x. So just FYI. How about 1-inch network and audio macro timetable? Thank you for the advice. This is just my opinion. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Let's look at let's look at let's look at that, and then we'll look at your coins, Roberto. What was it? What did you ask for? Cat with bag. See, I already have a cat with bag chart, so this is going to be easy. Yeah, so unfortunately right now we are stuck in resistance. So we said it needs to floor out here, which it never came down and tagged. We did give you a range of accumulation, and now we are attempting to break out, but we are getting stuck at resistance. So I'd say that as long as we're over 203 and under 2064, we are consolidating in resistance. Once 2064 breaks, you are looking at a possible breakout, and the previous high would be the next target on the way up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. And then to Roberto, what about 1 inch network? Oh, that's good actually. That's a Coinbase coin. So 1 inch network. I was looking at this too, along with Sushi Swap, and then the other swap coins that are on there, like Quick Swap or something. That was a super small market cap, right? No, is this it? Is this on Coinbase? No. What's on? Which one's on? Did they get rid of it? Oh no, yeah, they got rid of it. Oh, interesting. I thought this was on Coinbase. It might have been on Coinbase, but you got Sushi Swap and the other swaps. Okay, so 1 inch, 30 cents. You want 1 inch on the macro time frame. Okay, so let's take a look at this on the macro time frame for our Roberto. Damn, look at this horrible downtrend that we're just in. This isn't good. So first and foremost, there's nothing good about this coin. We've been literally making lower lows. We've established some sort of floor, so I guess that's good. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with 1 inch until we break the 236 at 49 cents. Once 49 cents breaks, you are getting little to no resistance to 83 cents. And then once that breaks, I'd say to the moon, $1.28, $1.93, $3.67, $7. And if all-time high breaks, you're looking at anywhere between all-time high and let's see, all-time high and $76.63, which as of today is going to be around that's a lot, like a 200x. I don't know if it's going to go that high. Yeah, 10x would be 4 billion, 100x would be 40 billion. So I guess, I mean, maybe a 10x, maybe a 20x, right? Or would it be? Let me see. Yeah, 25x would put it back at still under 15 billion. So very possible, but I think they released coins. That's what happened, right? Yeah, so you can see that they actually released coins. So that's one thing that I should have probably looked at, which does dilute the market. So conservatively speaking, maybe 361 for a 10x, and then 793 for Moon Boy target. So not financial advice. And then your other coin was Audio Macro. Oh, I'm assuming it's audio, but you want the macro time frame. Okay, so first and foremost, let me see if they released coins. Yeah, it looks like they did, but it looks like it's all fully diluted. The price here, and that's really important because the price here was $3.67 relative to the market cap, which was 400 million. Now the price actually made a lower high, but the market cap made a higher high. So that indicates, and that is a signal that that they are releasing coins into the circulation. At this point, it doesn't matter because the fully diluted market cap does match what's in circulation. So at this point, it doesn't matter, but I'm just letting you know that it is going to be a lot harder to go back to those previous highs, and don't get fooled by it because they released circulation into the supply, which is kind of like inflation. It's inflationary. So, you go to the grocery store, you can buy a gallon of milk for $5. Now it's $10, Hey, what are you doing? Sorry, my cat. Oh, my cat's not supposed to be on the counter. That's not good. Okay, so let's take a look at Audius. So from the high to the low, conservatively speaking, let's just say it goes up to the 786 because they did release coins. $2.50 is going to be around 13x, conservatively speaking. Again, I'd be really happy with a 13x. I'm not sure about you, but none of it is bullish and none of this is valid until we break 24 cents and 45 cents. You clearly see we every single time we came up and we tagged it, we got rejected. We are forming some sort of floor. We actually made a lower low, which isn't good. There is no more support other than 10 cents. And if this isn't the floor, then you are going to get a bigger capitulation and move down and create a lower low, which is very bearish. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for the membership. Yeah, I'm pretty new at this. Made $560 realized so far. I'm curious about alt season. I'm seeing that none of these alt or meme coins are near all-time high or even close right now. Yeah, wondering if any of these will see action or if it's only a select few. Your question is, if I knew the answer, I would know every single coin to invest in, and I would know. Like I would probably be rich if I knew the answer to that question. I know what you're asking, but I don't know. And we don't know which coins are which are the chosen ones. What coins are the chosen ones? Some of them do. Some of them, like the 2014 coins last time, they didn't go up to their previous all-time high. So you got to be careful about that, right? Because if they don't, then some people are waited for XLM to hit the all-time high last time and it never did, and they got stuck holding the bag all the way down. So just FYI. Thank you. You're welcome, Free Lightning. Pulse says that Dogelon would run later or last. Why do you think Dogelon is waking up early? I have no idea. Maybe they're gonna come out. Maybe there's news in the back end and they're releasing the news after the price pumps, or I don't know. Like maybe we're no longer in beta testing for Dogelon Metaverse or Rufus Chain, so that's also possible. We just don't have the news yet. Roberto, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome. I really appreciate it. What? Let's go. Thank you for the 2. That's awesome. I really, really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. LOL buy and sell signals. Yeah, I mean, like, I think this is what he was talking about. So let me look. Let me show you. Is OXC going up? Nope, it's not. Okay. I think this is what he's talking about. Oh no. Oh no, I'm bearish. OXC's bearish. I don't. Why did I have to show you guys this? The bear and bull signals. And plus, it doesn't even work. Look, bullish here, and like the price is, it is what it is. Whatever. No, OXC sucks. Anyway, let's keep looking and make a Venmo so I can tip you. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I do need to make that, but for the most part, I looked into that, and I know it doesn't make sense right now, but I'd rather just keep everything on YouTube right now. Don't worry about Venmo or Super Chat even. I'll always look at your guys' coins. But I will eventually make a Venmo, but again, I have to figure it out on my end, basically. But thank you. I really appreciate you saying that. Spell token's not doing anything. It needs to stay over 307. Is it over 307? Yes, it's over 307, so we're good. I believe the projection for 1 inch is 16x. It might be 13. I mean, I would be happy with a 13x, but if you want to hold it to 16x, then go for it. Crow with knife. I have a graph for that, so let's check crow with knife. Oh, we're breaking out, boys and girls. What does Vision say? The lady, or to all the boys and the 5 ladies in the chat. That's funny. I'm not gonna take that. I gotta think of something else. I gotta think of something, like I watch him too much. Because I watch my stream one day, and it's just gonna be like a copy and paste of like everything that he says. Like I'm gonna start eating donuts and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna get a I'm gonna get a Chrysler 300 or whatever it is. I'm gonna shave my head and everything. Like, hey, I'm Vision 2.0. Damn, imagine, that would be crazy. But yeah, so I'm happy for you guys, man. Congratulations on this move. We broke out of resistance, and now we're sitting at 92%. The next target for Crow with Knife is around 6014. So again, as long as it stays over this box, that target on the way up is valid. We do obviously have targets in between, but because this is kind of a gamble coin, obviously it's a crow with a knife in its beak. We're just gonna leave the target at 6014. So booties, Kitty AI on Sol, used car on Sol, and Doge. Appreciate you, bro. You got it. I'll take a look at all those for you. I guess what I meant to do as what I meant is, do investors typically pick just a couple of altcoins after BTC? BTC dominance declines to transfer capital into, or do they diversify into several? I see a few, but just can't pick one. Yeah, so it would be several, and most likely you're gonna rotate your coins into like bigger market cap coins, like even USDC and Tether, right? That's why Tether dominance goes up, and then in the meantime, and then they transfer that, and Tether dominance drops, and USDC dominance drop, Bitcoin dominance drop, because all the money is going into altcoins. And usually you're looking at big, oh my gosh, you're looking at large market cap altcoins that people are rotating to. Dogecoin at this point is a big market cap coin. Dogecoin is $50 billion market cap, so it's not a baby cap anymore. So so is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is another good coin. That's a good rotation coin for big whales and for people to store their money in. So just FYI. Haha, if I wasn't such a broke boy, I'd do more. Nay, no worry. Hey, that's plenty enough, man. Thank you so much. You didn't even have to do that, and I do appreciate I do appreciate it, and that's awesome. That's really nice of you to say. And I do appreciate it, whether it's 0 or whether it's 10 or 20 or whatever. It's all appreciated. Thank you. I appreciate you guys coming to the chat and hanging out. I come here because I want to, I want to look at your guys' coins, and most importantly, we're going up. We're making history on the live stream, and this is just something that we can do. You guys can come, and hopefully you get something valuable out of this, and we can all hang out and talk about your guys' coins. And I can, have my live stream running, and I can make, ad revenue and super chat revenue, and then you can get something that's valuable on your end. So whether you're, contributing to super chats or not, it's still ad revenue on my end. So the more watchers, like, the better. So I just hope you guys value, like, the information that I'm providing, which if I'm getting viewers, then obviously you do. Because very simple, we're looking at areas of support, areas of resistance, breakout points, and we're literally all looking at the same thing. So it's very simple. And yeah. But yeah, I do appreciate it. Long story short, that's what I'm responding to. I do appreciate I do appreciate the super chat. Thank you. There's many reasons. Dogecoin is pumping now. Doge is 3x from all-time high, while Dogecoin has more potential. It's on a dozen exchanges, easy to buy. It's on 1 million people's watch list on CoinMarketCap. Yes, it is. This is true. Let me show you guys, actually. So if you look here, it's literally on 1 million people's watch list. And then if you actually click on the Etherscan, you can see that we have 153. Ooh, that's so bright. My eyes, I'm about to have a seizure, or I'm about to lose my eyesight because of how white it is. So the holders is 153,000. We have 153,000 holders for Doge on Mars. That's crazy. And keep in mind, we have 1 million people on the watch list. So everyone on the watch list just got pinged for Doge on Mars going up 100% in the last month. 112% in the last 7 days. So everybody that forgot about Doge on Mars is about to come back to Doge on Mars and be like, oh my God, Doge on Mars to the moon. And they're going to buy, and the price is going to dump, and they're going to be like, oh my God, Doge on Mars is a scam. It just, the nature of the game. So, oh no, I'd hold 1 inch to 8x or 10x tops to smart. Can you do Shapeshift Fox, please? Yes. How about XRP and Glamour? I already looked at XRP. As long as it stays over 60 cents, 74 cents is next. It needs to stay over 60 cents though. Otherwise, we are going to go back down. Thanks, man. Already a huge help from that answer. I have some Dogecoin just in case it booms. I did miss the last week of gains on that because I wasn't paying attention. Could have 2x my whole stack thing. So that's unfortunate. And just be careful. You're buying, you're buying now, and I'm not saying like, you shouldn't buy now because it could, 42 cents is valid resistance at this point. We are over 29 cents. But the problem is that, and I'm super scared of buying when the RSI is super in the green, and the RSI is all the way in the green, like I showed earlier. So, as long as you hold it and you hold it through the correction and you don't feel bad, then yeah, Dogecoin's going up because Bitcoin dominance hasn't even dropped yet. So look at this. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance for you because this is going to make you feel better about like already getting into Dogecoin. Bitcoin dominance is literally not dropping. Bitcoin dominance is going up. So, the best case scenario, guys, actually this is super bullish. If we actually make a lower high on the Bitcoin dominance while the price is at 88K, and when it drops, that's when alt season is going to start. So, oh wow, I didn't even notice that. So we might be getting what we don't want to see is Bitcoin dominance go over 60% again. If it double tops or if it makes a lower high, then alt season I'd say is right around. I mean, it is right around the corner. We already know it's right around the corner, but we're a lot more close to it than we think. So, just FYI. Sanjeevan for 279. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome, man. Thank you. You said when PNG Moonbro, every other bullish coin pumping. Let's see. I mean, it looks like well, no. See, the problem is with PNG, it's just stuck in resistance. So and keep in mind, Sanjeevan, Pangolins from the low, it's still up 13x. And keep in mind that Pangolin went up around 50x already. So this is a healthy, retracement and consolidation before a continuation up. We do have resistance, Solon. We have resistance between 24 and 30 cents, but we've been talking about this for the last 6 months, or sorry, not 6 months, August, September, October, November. So 3 months. Keep in mind, we can't come back up to 30 cents too and still be bearish. So as long as it's under 30 cents, it's still bearish. But once we break 30 cents, hopefully the consolidation's over and we blast up on out of here because this is very long. At this point, we've been consolidating sideways for around 120 bars. Keep in mind last time over here, once we floored, and keep in mind we floored. So once we floored, it's, we consolidated for 101 days. So we're well past the point of either breaking up or breaking down. So with Bitcoin going up and hopefully the Bitcoin dominance dropping, I would put it at, I would say that most likely we're going to go retest 30 cents, but we just have to wait and see. So thank you so much for the super chat again. I really do appreciate it. That's awesome. Someone asked for like 30 different coins. Oh, Booties, are you still here? Let me look at used car for you. Taking a look at used car, which is Dogecoin and a Honda. Man, why wouldn't I just buy Dogecoin and a Honda? How dumb am I? Yeah, I would have been up like 14x. That's crazy. So 10 grand was like 140 grand. Come on. Think. Why aren't you guys buying Dogecoin in a 2008 used Honda? If only we knew. So, as far as Dogecoin and a Honda, a gently used 2001, sorry, not 2008. You're looking at you're looking at resistance. We're stuck at 1 cent 40 to 1 cent 80. Once that breaks, we're still the target at 3 cents 75 is still valid because we're still over 1 cent 45. For whatever reason, if we do break below this box, then this previous area does need to hold. Otherwise, you're going to get a lower low and an infamous downtrend forming. So just FYI, very crucial and very key area of support that needs to hold is 1 cent 11. But we don't have to worry about that because we are consolidating in resistance right now, and 3 cents 75 is still in play. So just FYI. And then you want Department of Government Efficiency. Taking a look at Department of Government Efficiency. This isn't the right one. With Elon. Oh, wait. I can't even do TA on this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so taking a look at Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, on Ethereum. You're looking at support at in a continuation as long as it stays over 10 to 13 cents. You're looking at 28 cents. Very simple. Hello, what about open custody, please? Thanks. You got it. To be honest, I only listen to one person for coins, and I trust your technical analysis, and that's why I'm here. I'm drawing the line. Yes. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. And I really hope you make it this bull run. It seems like you're already up, so that's good. You just got to keep it. It smells like rice. Someone's making rice. It smells really good. Not that I have any actual valid experience to back up my statement. Yeah, I've lost plenty of money, which is where I get my experience from. But I have a feeling Doge breaks its all-time high this cycle. Yeah, I mean that's what people are waiting for and hoping for, is Doge breaking its all-time high. And we have Dogecoin hitting up to $4, I think, on the macro time frame. So. Yes, fools stop requesting your watch list and walking away and get a glass of lemonade, missing the whole analysis. That's funny. Oh, man. Yeah, I know, because some people ask like for it multiple times, huh? That's pretty funny. Thanks. Man. Oh, I need to show my, like the what do you call it? The subscriber, like you know how Vision's like showing his subscriber base. I wonder if I got like any subscribers. Oh yeah, I'm getting a whole bunch actually. That's really good. I'm at 3133, but damn, I wish I want to get to like 10K by the end of this year. But that's why I'm live streaming every single day. I'm trying to live stream every single day in November and December, which is going to be a grind. It is going to be an absolute grind, but I think that I will hopefully get to 10K subs, and that way that's going to be really good for my channel. So we shall see. 2 million market cap. Oh, you're talking about Doge on Sol? Yeah, so there's little to, I mean, I could check it on the 4-hour chart, right? Yeah, so really nothing to see here. So you're looking at bearish under 46 cents. I'd say if it doesn't floor here at 17 cents, then you're looking at going to zero. Once you break 35 to 46 cents, I'd say Department of Government Efficiency to the moon, and that's pretty much it. So we'll leave that there, and we'll check back and see what happens. I don't want to be a welder for the next 65 years. Yeah, me neither. Yo, Meow, Gala is moving slower than the other altcoins. Do you think you could hunt? Yo, Gala is moving slower than other altcoins. Dude, bro, nothing's moving slower than OXC. I don't want to hear it. Your coin's up 57%. Oh my god, my coin's going down. You think it could touch 20 cents if there is there any confluences at that level? I don't know. Let me check for you. Okay, well, the Gala release coins. So fully diluted matches market cap, but did it? Oh, it did release coins. Hey, so just be careful. It did release coins. So here it was. Let me just make sure. Here the market cap was 2.40 billion, and the price was 8 cents. And then here, yeah. So like here, the market cap was 2.4 billion. So right here, the second spike. Yeah, and the price was 35 cents. So I hope you see that gear, because here it was 35 cents, 2.4 billion, and then here was the same at 8 cents. So the thing is that they it's fully diluted now, so you don't really have to worry about it at this point. But that's why it's lagging. But the same thing happened to me too. So OXT released coins throughout the last 4 years, and I ended up buying it. But let's see if they have anything at 20 cents. No, so you got 16 cents being the 618, and then that is around a 5x from the current price at 16 cents. So 5x would put the market cap at 5 billion. The market cap before was 5 billion though. So again, keep in mind that the market cap, like the highest point was 5.2 billion, and the price here was 74 cents. So actually, it's funny because at 16 cents, which is the 5x from the current price, the price is going to be 16 cents, but the market cap is going to be back up to 5.2 billion. So if you think, and this is one of those coins where if I was in, I wouldn't wait. I would sell the majority of my coins below that level, because it's so fully diluted. Because it's so diluted, it's going to be a lot harder to get to the same price. So I would probably sell at the 382.5 and then the 618, and then I would let the rest ride. Whether you sell 60%, get money back plus profit, and then let the rest ride to 34 cents, 84 cents, and gallop to the moon, take your shirt off and rip it off because you're a millionaire. That's up to you. You have to figure out a game plan. But yeah, we do have resistance at the 618 at around 16 to 17 cents. So yeah, open custody, please. You got it. Oh, what is this, man? Oh my gosh. Wait, before I look at this, oh no, Dogecoin's breaking down. My viewers are going away. Yeah, I had like 45 people here. That's the most I've ever had. That's crazy. That's pretty cool, actually. So we got Bitcoin breaking down. GSC's it's not breaking down that much right now. I think it should still be fine. Damn, that would be so cool if it hit 4 cents though. So from the high to the low with open custody protocol, it is still bearish under 2 cents 30. Once 2 cents 30 does break, you are looking at retesting the 382. But again, because we are all the way at the low, just keep in mind we are in this macro downtrend. So if we don't hold this previous low, then we are going to break lower and just keep this downtrend going. So non-financial advice, just my opinion. Could you check out GLMR? I think that's Glamour. Oh, Moonbeam. Yeah, I could check out Moonbeam for you. You said supposedly in the long game it's supposed to 30x. Okay, well, let's see. So the market cap, so first and foremost, they're releasing coins. So the price, don't even look at the price anymore, because back here, the market cap was 1 billion and the price was $11. And then over here, the market cap was $500,000 and the price was 66 cents. So it's very diluted. And keep in mind that it is not fully circulated yet. So doing TA on this very quickly, I would be very happy if this coin went back up to 618, kind of like Gala and what I told Gearhead, at around $5, because $5 is going to put is still a 25x actually. I don't even know if it's going to go that high. So 10x is 2 billion, and then 20x is, yeah, so it does still put the market cap at around 5 billion. But keep in mind that this coin's never been $5 billion market cap, so maybe not. So maybe okay, well, rewind. So nothing's bullish until we break 52 cents. So once we break, oh, you could actually do like these little emojis. What? So this is you once it break. Oh, that's so funny. I didn't even know you could do that. So 51 cents is area of resistance. The next area is $1.24. Keep in mind that from this price level to that level is around a 5x, which does put the market cap at around $1 billion. So a 5x would be $1.23, and it will double top the market cap because the market cap is $1 billion. Easy math. So it's nowhere near $11.97. That's how you know they diluted the market. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They really diluted this one, like worse than, yeah, this is pretty bad. So just FYI. And then in terms of support goes, there is no more support. This thing's floored. So it doesn't have a heartbeat. So it needs a heartbeat. So sorry, I wish I had better news for you, but that's unfortunately all I have for you. Let's see. Be right back. Gonna go watch Crypto Brown for sure. Thanks, bro. It's still not too late to get out of OXT. How far are you from break even? Oh man. So once my sell targets hit here at 9 cents, so I have a sell target at 9 cents. I know it says 9 cents 70. Oh, no, it's 10 cents. I rounded it up. So 10 cents. This is 15. Don't worry about the change. I did 15 even just to make it even. And then over here I did 22 cents. So once these three get hit, then the rest is going to be profit. So yeah. So like 10 cents, 15 cents, 22 cents. Once those get hit, I'm taking it out, and the rest of my OXT can either make it or break it, right? It could go to 0 or it could make me a millionaire. So at least I get my money back. That's it. Very simple. And then, oh yeah, it's not too late to, I know it's not, but like this, like it's like, imagine if I tell you like, hey, you should put your money in this coin. Like it's just, everyone has their coin, and everyone, like I respect everybody's like decision to get whatever they want, you know, like it's a gamble. Like you're looking at me and you're like, oh, that's a really bad coin. And I agree with you. Look, like the price also agrees with you. But for me, it's like when you're sitting at one of those like at a casino and it hasn't hit the jackpot and you're like, you know, 30, 40 spins in, you're gonna hit one and keep putting money in until you hit that jackpot at least. Even though you're not gonna probably hit the grand jackpot, but at this point I need to get the bonus feature, okay? So that's just what needs to happen. GST falling off the table, good game? Is it? What are you talking about? GST just drew a huge green candle. GST's back. Are we back? Oh, no, we're not back. Hey, GST's back. GST's about to go retest 27. That's crazy. Congratulations on that. Bacchioni, Jabroni, Baloney. Oh, that's funny. Kitty AI on Sol. What is it? How do you spell it? Kitty AI? Oh, I already have a graph for this. So we stayed over 3003. We actually came down, tagged it, bounced. So as long as we stay over 3034, you're looking at 2054, which as of today is around, whoa. Oh, this is a gamble coin. Okay, that's why. So you're looking at around an 857% pump to the previous high, triple top, question mark. Once that breaks, price discovery up to 5 cents 80. Keep in mind that this is a gamble coin. Clearly, you know that, given that it is a $621,000 market cap. I hope you make it, and that's pretty much it. No financial advice. You think it can go to 16 cents? That's 2x from March. Are you talking about Gala? Wait, are you Gearhead? Are you talking about Gala? Do I think? Wait, did that 2x in March? Oh yeah. I think it can. Absolutely, I think it can. But I think if I was holding Gala, if it hit 16 cents, I would probably do the same thing that I'm doing with OXT. So like do this. Here, very simple. And I don't know how much of a bag you have, and I have a pretty big bag of OXT, obviously, so it's easy for me to section it off. But if you have a small bag, then there's no point, just hold it all. But if you don't, if you have a big bag, just sell it, sell at 3 cents 30, sell at 6 cents, sell at 10 cents, and then 16 cents, and then let the rest ride. Because that's the problem with this, because they fully diluted it, so it's going to be a lot harder to push the price back up. So at least you're going to get some money back. Or if you want to try to work out the math where you get at least your money back when it hits the 236 or 382, then you can let the rest ride. So it just depends on what bag you have. But you could also play it risky. Like for me, I did 236, but you don't have to. You could just take your first sell. And that's another thing, like, to think about. You don't have to do that. Your first target could be 6 cents. Your second target could be 10 cents. So I'm in OXT. So I hope you understand why I'm taking the first move back up, because I want some money back. I want my money back. So, she's going. GST is going. Congratulations. But yeah, I hope that made sense. I'm pretty sure you're smart, and you know what I'm trying to say by showing you that. Because Gala's on Gemini, and I don't know if it's on Coinbase, but you could actually put your sell orders in. So when you do that, just don't look at it. Just don't look at it anymore, and then just leave it. And then you're gonna get notifications on your phone. So that's the face I use. Oh yeah. Any news about Swiftcoin? I'll take a look at that for you. Nice plan. Tap on Ethereum, def, a good gamble. Tap on ETH, def, a good gamble. BTC ready to retest? I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's retesting 86,302. Dogecoin isn't necessarily coming back down to 29 cents, but we don't really want it to go down that low. So that's worst case scenario. You have a retest here. Which is this box. So we are retesting this, and then BTC is retesting that area, and then GSC is going to the moon. Is Allo still here? Is Allo still here? Congratulations, Allo. Any news about Swiftcoin? Damn. This thing's about to go parabolic. Let's go. Come on, make someone rich in the stream. Make someone rich. Come on. I wish it was me. Well, I wish it's all of us, right? But obviously I wish it was me. Let's see. Oh, Swiftcoin. Oh, Swiftcoin's doing pretty good. I think we're stuck in resistance though, but we're still over. Yeah, we're consolidating in resistance. So that's to all the Swiftcoin moon boys and girls. Yeah, so unfortunately we are stuck in resistance. We got stuck at 38 again, which we actually knew. So if you did take profits, congratulations. However, and if you're buying back, you're obviously buying back for more coins. It needs to stay over 30.31. Otherwise, 22 is the next area of support. So nothing has changed from the last time. It's still 22, 23. So obviously not financial advice. Once 38 breaks, I say Swift to the moon, retest of this previous wick, and then from there you're looking at 2 cents. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. Gala, yeah, your plan is good. I'm gonna take initial. Oh, you're gonna gamble. Okay. Oh, Gearhead. So you're gonna start taking it at 16 cents. Wow. Hey, more power to you. I hope it. You know, I'm sure it will, but that would be. So like, I mean, that's not too crazy. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's not too crazy to ask for. That's not too crazy to say that, you know, you're gonna start taking profits at a 5x. That's not too crazy to say. I think it's valid. I really hope it blasts past that, but it's like that anxiety and like that, oh man, like It's gonna hit 10 cents, 15 cents, and you're gonna be like, oh man, like, am I gonna sell? I say if it hits 15 cents, just take that portion and just sell it, right? Like, I don't know. You gotta do what's best for you. Now stop congratulating me. I'm not selling and lose everything. Yeah, there you go. That's the attitude to have. You gotta just hold on to everything and just don't sell anything. Aloe is a moon boy. He's holding 100x. Yup, probably. Let's see. Turbo. I mean, I don't think anything has changed with my last graph on Turbo, but I'll be more than happy to look at it for you. Yeah, so we are still in the box. Nothing has changed as long as we stay over 2083. The next area of support is the retest of this previous area of support that we actually tagged and bounced from. As long as we stay over this box, and once we break it, previous all-time high is next, followed by around 2 cents Turbo. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. Nah, bro, I don't have that much. Haha. XCN, please. I think it might break out soon. Hold on, let's look at our... Oh, Dogecoin's in the box. Dogecoin needs to hold. Bitcoin is breaking down. That's not good. Well, we're still over the line, so that's fine. And then we have GST at 22 still, so let's see. What were we asking for? Oh, XCN. Onyx Coin. Oh yeah, nothing has changed with Onyx Coin too. It's still stuck in resistance. So Onyx Coin is bearish under 2022, which we already knew. So under 2022, we already knew that. And then in terms of the short term goes, from the high to the low, we are still stuck in resistance. And as long as we are under this box, or sorry, under the higher band at 2017, it is still bearish and needs to hold 2014. As long as we can consolidate in resistance though, and avoid coming back down to these lows, once it turns bullish, and once we break 2017, we are looking at retesting 2004, and then XCN to the moon. But until then, nothing is bullish. It kind of looks like the statue. Alrighty. I can move your OXT maybe point. Hey, that's still 0.001. It's fine. No, hey, I'm just joking. Don't ever buy OXT. How about Farm? I haven't bought yet, but it's calling out to me. Farm. I haven't heard that in like 4 years. Man, I remember when this was like over $100. Yeah, this was a solid coin. And then it went to absolute zero. But yeah, let's look at Farm Free. I remember when it was listed on Coinbase, so let's look at the Coinbase graph. Yeah, so taking a look at Farm, wow, it actually looks exactly like XCN. So from the high to the low, oh, we are actually over the macro 236. How high did it go? Oh, it already went up like 5x, so congratulations to whoever took profits there. As long as it stays very simple, as long as it stays over $39, you're looking at $60 being the next area of resistance. Keep in mind that, yeah, I guess the 786 was tagged around here. So around, yeah, July of this year. So that did hold. We did get a nice bounce from it. Worst case scenario, if we come down this low, oh my gosh, you do need to consolidate over this level, followed by continuation up. Kind of like what Dogecoin did, actually. You consolidate it and then you shot up to the moon. So we'll see if that happens though. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting a nice little buyback. XCN is almost at 27. Let's go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. OXT is getting dragged down by the shadow realm. It's trying to escape though. No, dude, OXT is in the shadow realm. It's not getting dragged into it. OXT is in the shadow realm and it's trying to come out right now. It's not even actually trying to come out, honestly. Like, what is it? I'm only up 50% from, yeah, 59% from the all-time lows. That's horrible. But this is one of those coins that's just gonna like, it's gonna go to 10 cents or 15 cents when I'm sleeping. And then I'm gonna wake up and my sell order is gonna go through. Is gonna like, it's gonna show that I made like X amount of money. And I'm gonna be really happy. At least Dogelon is moving. You think it will teleport to 13 after it breaks 4? No, I think it'll teleport. It probably 6. 6 would be next, and then it's 13. And then it's around 100% from 6. Oh, damn, it's having a big sell-off. But yeah, we already knew that. Oh, man. We're going back down to 0. Yeah, so for Dogelon, we already knew that. So we are getting a move down. It absolutely needs to hold the box. It might also come down and retest the moving average, right? So we might actually come down and break below support and bounce from the moving average and then go up. So that's also possible for Dogelon Mars. Not financial advice, just my opinion. No, nobody should buy OXD. Come on. Don't buy, literally, I'm the only one that should have OXC, basically. I'm the only OXT I'm the only person I know that has OXD, so. Oh, Dogecoin's getting a green candle. Let's go. So is Bitcoin, and then GST is like literally moving so hard right now. So congratulations again to the GST holders, not Aloe, because he doesn't want to be congratulated. All right, Suku. Yeah, so for Suku, yeah, exactly. It looks kind of the same, but I mean, you're still up. Like, are you up more than 59%? Yeah, you're still up like 100. I'm up 59% from the lows. You're up 116. So that means that you should buy OXT and pump my bag. No, I'm just joking. So Suku, nothing's bullish until we break 8 cents 30. Keep in mind that the next area of resistance is around 14, 15 cents. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Dead money, don't do it. Honestly, like, bro, if you want to lose all your money, then go for it. But I mean, I like it. I think it's a good coin. I think it has a very bullish chart. It's fully diluted now. They have token burns that they've never done. It's deflationary. Like, I hope it doesn't get delisted on Coinbase, because if it does, I'm absolutely screwed. Yeah, and also just keep in mind that if we actually take it off of log, we're so far away from the 236. We're literally 27 cents. That's insane. And to put things into perspective, look at where Doge is. So I'm gonna look at Doge, but I'm actually gonna look at oh wait, I have the right graph up. So non-log, Doge is over its 382. Very, 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 very bullish. So, and Doge is up like, yeah, wow, 5x too. So it's not bad. Oh, Dogecoin's holding on to 35 cents. Bitcoin's breaking down. GST is going up. GST is literally the only coin from the time that we've been streaming. It's went up literally 30%. I've been streaming for 2 hours, so that's yeah. So here, dude, this entire time I've been streaming, it's literally pumped 22%. Wow. Congratulations to the GST holders, not Aloe. I keep saying that. I should stop saying that. I'm bored with saying that, actually. Let's check the subscriber coins, because I haven't like... Damn, I really hope these people actually came to my live stream so I could look at their coins, but unfortunately, they don't. Unfortunately, they don't come to the live stream, so I kind of like the way I have it structured right now is that I actually like make videos for people that ask for update videos, but I really want to get people to come to the live stream so I could just like look at their coin on the live, and then I'll look at like kind of like what Vision does, where he like makes certain videos that get good revenue, right? Like that get a lot of views. Because some of my coins, like OXT for example, I know that's my coin, but dude, the videos get like 22 views. So it's not that good. I gotta figure it out. That's all it is. I gotta figure it out. Still working on it. Access, right? Yeah, Access Protocol. Floyd Mayweather taking a look at AXC, Access Across Protocol. Oh, that's ACX. Yeah, okay, so this is the right coin. Congratulations. It looks like this is a good coin. From the high to the low, very bullish. I'd say all-time high, followed by new highs at around 74 cents. As long as we stay over the 236382, which I'll give you those numbers right now. So you're looking at a capitulation down as long as it stays over 34 to 36 cents in the short-term time frame. You are looking at 48 cents and then 75 cents. No financial advice, just my opinion. These are all my targets, and that's just what I see when I look at your coin. So I hope that made sense, and thank you. Oops. Oh no, DOGECOIN selling off. That's not good. That is not good. Is Dogecoin, the question is Dogecoin going to hold 33, 34 cents and a half? That is the $1 million question. Dude, I can't wait to have like 1,000 people in my chats. Like, that is a lot of people. I don't even know how I would like answer everybody's questions. I would try to though. People will just have to wait a very long time unless they like super chat, I guess. So that's probably where that comes into play. Where right now it's like a little bit different because I can handle less than 50 people, but if the chat's moving super fast, then we're gonna have to figure out a different method. You just gotta wait till Vision gets off. Yeah, but the problem is that he live streams when I'm at work. So I work Monday through Friday. So that's why my streams are 5 p.m. PST, because Pacific Standard Time, because that's the time that I get off. But like, yeah, I agree. Like, it would be really cool if he got off and I did it right after him, and then I hope I don't think that's bad. I don't know if that's bad or not, but that would be cool because I'll be like, yeah, I just watched a 2-3 hour stream and then I'll stream after that, and try to get the viewers and then keep the party going. But the problem is I work Monday through Friday, so there's no way. No, I even worked today. I didn't have today off. Are you kidding me? You think I'm gonna have Veterans Day off? No. We don't get Veterans Day off. I wouldn't worry about your views. It's the quality. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you because yeah, I mean, I structured my channel, and the reason why I made my channel the way that it is because like I'm always like asking for my coins to be looked at, and it sucks when nobody looks at them. So it's like, you know what, I'm just gonna learn how to do it, and I'm just gonna, you know, help out as many people as I can, and if the super chats come, they come, and I've been blessed getting a whole bunch of super chats so far, so I'm super grateful. And if they don't, then it's fine because I'm getting the ad revenue on the views. It's not like this is good, you know. It's not like this is like enough to quit my job, you know. Like not like this is like more of like a, a side hustle in a sense, like Uber or DoorDash. This is DoorDash, but for crypto. I actually used to DoorDash. That was fun. I remember the day I stopped DoorDashing though. It was the day because I drove an okay car back in the day. I drove a Scion FRS, so it's a little two-seater sports car for those that know. So I went in, like, it was like this like really rich neighborhood, and they like ordered 4 cups of coffee. I'll never forget this. Remember, I actually called my wife, or my girlfriend at the time, who's not my wife, and I told her, I was like, you know what, I'm never door dashing again. Um, so I get to this gate, this like $1 million gate, and I couldn't open it. So it finally opened. I got in, and like half of the coffee was on the floor of my car. So I take the coffee to the door, and I'm like, hey, like, honestly, like, your coffee spilled all over the place. You could just ask DoorDash for a refund. And they were super fine with it. They were like, oh yeah, no worries, thank you, that sucks, blah, blah, blah. They were like really nice about it. And I was like, yeah, I'm really sorry. Like, you know, like I put it on the floor of my car in the passenger seat, and there's nothing I could do. Like, they all had stoppers, but somehow um, everything like splashed around and stuff or whatever. So anyway, I go to get out. I'm like, oh great, now I have to like worry about this gate. So I pull up to the gate, and this gate like opens, and it opens like, and I didn't even know, like I didn't even realize like how the gate worked, but it opened, and it opened into my car, and it hit my car. And I remember I really liked my car, and it left a mark in the front, and I was like, bro, like I'm never door dashing again. And that was it. That was the end of my DoorDash career. Yeah. It was a really bad experience. Let's check the chat. We just need oh damn, bro. Damn, my bad. No worries, Aloe. We just need Musk himself to make a tweet for dogs, and we'll be good. Yeah, seriously. But he said he doesn't. He said, like, I don't know if he endorses Dogecoin. When do you think PNG will flip bullish when the Bitcoin dominance drops? DoorDash on YouTube? Yeah. Just curious, where is everybody from? I'm from Charleston, South Carolina, East Coast, baby. I'm from Cali, but I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be from Cali, so we'll see. Maybe I'll stay. Maybe if the governor changes. I'm just joking. No politics on this channel. We don't talk politics here. We only talk Bitcoin. I only want Bitcoin to go up. That's my take on it. Hey, GSC's still looking pretty sharp right now. Not bad. Wait, what? Oh, weird. We will give you a great home here. Politics aside, you'll be happier. Yeah, I bet. I bet. South Carolina? Wait, don't you get hit with hurricanes? Didn't you just get hit with a hurricane? How bad was it? No, I like Florida. I would move to Florida. My wife and I, we really like Florida. And there's Disney World there. And there's Universal. And there are casinos. True story. Oh, and there are ports there for cruise lines, which is huge. So Florida's like just got everything. Um, Hi, I almost got sidetracked. What's up? What's up, Payne South? Yes, Elon endorsed Doge on his rally. He said she will hit $2. Oh, I didn't know that. Yes, Callie. $87K. It's holding. OXT is not. Ooh, dude, I can't wait until OXT like explodes on stream. Like, imagine if OXT breaks out on stream. Do you know how happy I would be? I would be so happy. Bro, OXT back up to its all-time high right now is around a 13x, which actually, Gearhead, I said I would be happy with a 13x. It would be around $1 back up to its all-time high. Hurricane Helene destroyed a lot of southeastern USA. I was in upstate of South Carolina at the time. It came through. Hurricane are not as common, but when they come, they aren't fun. Not as bad as Florida, but hey. Oh, but they can knock power out for a week or two. Yeah. Do you think we are gonna have a short bull run or another super cycle? I think we're gonna have a short bull. I think we're gonna have a short bull run. That's what I think. How about Crob? What is that? Is that a coin? Hey, it looks like we're just like sitting still now. Everything's moving except GST. I mean, we could check this on the hourly. Taking a look at OXT on the hourly. Nothing. Yeah, I think it's going to be a short bull run. I don't know if it's gonna how much longer it's going to last. I mean, keep in mind that we're already like almost a year into the having. So, I mean, how long can it actually last, right? I think I'm going to be fully liquid by April. What is this? Crop coin? Oh my gosh. What in the world is this? Wrong one. Oh, it's not on Dex Screener. Okay. Alright, taking a look at... I can't even look at this coin. Crop coin. What is it on? VVSing. Oh, it's on crypto.com? Wow. Crypto.com listed this coin, and it's like the only coin out there? Okay. That's very interesting. Let's take a look at it. 3 cents. Well, taking a look at this complete gamble coin, so we are over the 618. Next target is around 4 cents. Previous high. You're looking at crop up to 16 cents. On the way down, as long as it stays over the 236382. Well, 236 really, so 3 cents. You are still bullish. Keep in mind it is a 50% to the previous all-time high, and then you're looking at a 300% to 16 cents, which is the 1618 from the high to the low. That is going to put the market cap around $90 million, and that's pretty much it. Gamble coin, good luck, and I hope it works out for you. I want this magic internet money, baby. Yup, me too. Yes, I haven't gotten any real FOMO. I feel like we are still kind of dead. Not much hype going on. Yeah, not much hype going on because our coins aren't doing anything. That's why. It's just unfortunate. Our coins are literally not doing anything. They're, you know, Bitcoin's sideways now at over 86,000. Next target's 95,000. Dogecoin's over support at 33.34 on the short term. 41 cents is still in play. GST is about to hit 2 cents 70, and this crop coin is absolutely going to the moon, while my coin's absolutely not doing anything, and your coin's not. So that's why it doesn't feel. That's why it doesn't feel like we're doing anything. So this crop coin is outperforming my coin. Unbelievable. They say the last Bitcoin will be mined by 2140. I don't know about you, but I will no longer be present here on Earth at that time. We have about 29 bull cycles until that point. Yeah, man, I'm done in the next, like, my next bull cycle, I'm going to be out. So my goal is after, like, we've been waiting for this. My 2028 is it. 2028, 2029, I should be retired. So that's my goal. And yeah, that's a really good goal. That's a very valid goal. So I think that's very possible if you play your cards right. If I play my cards right, I think that's very possible. And I want to be here for one more cycle, and I'm done. I don't think it's going to happen this time because unfortunately I have this coin and Doge on Mars. But we'll see, you know, if I'm going to rotate that or not. That is going to be a rotation play. I already know, like, I already have my targets at that point. So once those hit, if same with OXT, my hope was OXT was like I did with Gearhead. We have our sell points, and then if there's a coin that hasn't ran yet, then that's my rotation coin. Unfortunately, I picked one good coin and one dud, but most of my capital is in the dud, so it's not like I'm going to take profits right now from the other coin and put it in here because there's no point. But yeah, BTC, yeah, I know, but BTC dominance is rising right now, so we just have to wait. It has to make a higher low, and then we're going to basically fall off the table, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, they say Bitcoin should get to 120K, which is probably the way it's going. Yeah. I'd say 95K, and then we'll see. I'm going to take this off. It's getting kind of hot in here. Doge on Mars is having a big sell-off. That's not good. Damn, someone just bought $22,000 worth of Doge on Mars. That's crazy. It's a big amount. Good for them. Not the one wants me to redo the buy the dip on Kronos. No, still it's still valid. So you're still looking at 618 holding. Next target is 22. Previous high, and then I forget what it was, but in terms of support, you're looking at the 236, 14. Worst case scenario, we come down to 11, and it absolutely needs to hold. So it's still the same, but it's still over the 618. So that's still pretty bullish in my opinion, but it is what it is. I don't know how low it can go before we get any sort of reversal, unfortunately. Can you redo the dip on... Oh, charts drastically change. I'm 23 at this point. Oh, I just recently got my life together to the point where I can afford to dump a few grand into investments. I recognize the cycle of crypto. I want short-term games to dump into long-term investments. Yeah, exactly. I'm 23 at this point. Well, welcome to the circus, and welcome to the... Hopefully you don't get sent to the... Hopefully you don't get sent to the shadow realm. So that's not going to be good. Man, I need to get a haircut. I want to retire in the year 2028. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to be done by 2028, 2029. That's nothing. Day before, there was a guy. There was a 100 buy order in DOGECOIN, and today during Vision stream there was a 300K buy order. Damn, that's crazy. Lego seems like a good play. I don't even know. Lego like on Solana. What is this? A 3.6K? You know what else is a good play? This coin, Snoopy. I don't even know what this coin is. What happened with MAGA? Is that going to the moon? MAGA hat on Solana. Oh no. Damn. Hey, what happened to the Geo Bowden coins? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, he lost the election. Dude, well, this is horrible. Oh my gosh. 87% dump. That's pretty bad. And it's 99% down. That's horrible. I think this was the debate, right? There was some hope. So whoever got out here at 300% pump, congratulations. All right, well, with that being said, I feel like, yeah, we've been here for about 2.5 hours, 5, 6, 7, yeah, so going on 3 hours almost. My back is hurting, so I am sitting on a stool. Unfortunately, when I move, I'm gonna get a chair, so I'm probably gonna be able to do longer streams. But I had a long day today, and I will be streaming tomorrow too. So thank you for everybody that stopped by. Thank you everyone for all the super chats. I really, really, really do appreciate it. Let's see. Yeah, so buy the dip isn't really doing much. Dogecoin short term, it looks like we're getting a candle. That's going to take us to 41 cents resistance. Bitcoin needs to stay over 86,302. 95,000 is still in play. And then GST, hopefully it stays over 1 cent 80, and 2 cents 70 is in place. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. This is all for entertainment purposes. Thanks for everybody that came by and hung out. Thank you for all the memberships, for the super chats. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just Crypto Analysis. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one. And basically I make like reels that say like when the next time I'm gonna live stream is. So if you guys want updates, or if you guys want to know when I'm live streaming, feel free to follow. And if not, no worries. Just see you in the next live streams, and have a great night. Thank you again, everyone. I really appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next live.